In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install Claude AI app on a web PC or laptop. Open up Chrome and search Claude AI and select the official site. Select download desktop app option. Once download done, select the exe and install. Accept and get started. Continue with Google. Select to my account. Select continue. Open Claude. Create account. Check mark these both boxes and select create account. Select use Claude for free. Select continue. Type your name. Continue. Select your role. You can select other and I have my own topic. That's how you can install Claude app on a Windows PC. If you want to open this again, go to search and type Claude and click on open the Claude application. I will show you guys just opening again. And the same way you can open anytime. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.